Hello, this is Rushikesh. Welcome back for Learning Cloud Practitioner. The today's topic is what is formations. AWS CloudFormation is an infrastructure as a code service that allow developer to provision AWS resources using declarative templates. It ensure consistent, repeatable deployments by treating infrastructure as a version controlled code. CloudFormation automatically handle dependencies, provisions order, and rollback in case of errors. It simplified multi-server service deployment and helps teams manage large environments without manual configuration. Templates can be written in JSONs or YAML, making cloud formation flexible and readable. Benefit of AWS CloudFormation. CloudFormation reduces manual configuration by automating resource creation across the AWS ecosystem. It enables predictable, repeatable deployment and eliminate human error. Version control templates allow teams to track changes over time in enforce infrastructure governance. Additional benefits include automate rollback, drift detection, dependency management, and across region cross-account deployments. It integrates native with IAM, CloudWatch, and configure for secure and automated environments. CloudFormation Stack Designer. CloudFormation Stack Designer is a virtual interface that allows users to view AWS architecture based on templates. It displays relationships, dependencies, and the structure of resource in a graphical format. This helps developers understand complex architecture, troubleshoot, ensure, and plan template design. Stack design also provides insight into how templates update, modify existing infrastructure, improving control and visible of developments. AWS Cloud Development Kit. AWS Cloud Development Kit is a high-level development framework that allow developers to define cloud infrastructure using programming language like Python, TypeScript, Java, C Sharp, CDS, synthesize this code into cloud formation templates automatically. CDK improve productivity by enabling reusable construct object-oriented pattern until testing, unit testing, and modular infrastructure. It bridges the gap between DevOps and application developer by letting them define infrastructure using familiar language. CDK example. A typical CDK application define a stack using a programming language such as TypeScript. For example, developer can create an S3 bucket, Lambda function, API gateway, or VPC using a single class. CDK automatically generates the required CloudFormation JSON YAML template. Example TS code bucket new S3 dot bucket. This this is the example of the TS code. Typical architecture. Web app 3-tier. A 3-tier architecture contains a presentation layer, application layer, and data layer. In AWS, this typical uses an application load balancer EC2 ECS for get compute layer and RDS DynamoDB for data. CloudFormation or CDK automates development of VPCs, subnet security group, net gateway, load balancer, auto scaling groups, and database. This ensure secure, scalable, highly available environment for modern web app. Developer problem on AWS. Many developers struggle with managing infrastructure manual inconsistent configuration and difficulty scaling across environments. Reproduction dev, test, and production environment manual is error prone and time consuming. Cloud formation. and CDK solve this by offering automations, repeatability, module design, and version control infrastructure. This reduces operational burden, improve reliability, and accelerate development across teams. Thank you so much for watching my video.